Hey there, orchardists. Thinking about going organic with your apple orchard? You're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the essentials of transforming your conventional orchard into a thriving organic haven. Let's get started. First up, keep a transition journal. This isn't just a notebook, it's your orchard's diary. Track soil conditions, pest and disease activity, weather patterns, growth rates, and fruit production. Document your successes and challenges. Trust me, this will become your go-to guide for making informed decisions. Next, let's talk about the soil. Healthy soil is the backbone of any organic orchard. Start with soil tests to check nutrient levels and pH balance. Add organic compost and well-rotted manure. Plant cover crops like clover to fix nitrogen and rotate crops to keep the soil fresh and fertile. Don't forget to mulch to retain moisture and suppress those pesky weeds. Now let's get some helpful bugs on your team. Plant insectary flowers to attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These little guys will help control pest populations naturally. Avoid broad-spectrum pesticides that can harm the good bugs. By maintaining a diverse landscape with native plants, you'll create a welcoming environment for your insect allies. Bees are next on the list. These hard-working pollinators are crucial for fruit production. Set up hives in sheltered locations with plenty of food sources. Plant a variety of flowering plants to support the bees. Regularly check your hives to ensure your bees are healthy and productive. Companion planting is another game changer. Integrate plants that repel pests naturally. Marigolds deter nematodes and aphids. Garlic and onions keep mites and beetles at bay. Lavender wards off moths and fleas, while chrysanthemums repel a host of harmful insects. Strategic planting can create a natural defense system against pests. Pruning is essential for maximum apple production. Do it in late winter or early spring to encourage new growth. Remove dead or diseased branches to prevent the spread of disease. Thin, crowded branches to increase airflow and sunlight exposure. Train young trees for optimal structure and fruit-bearing potential. Proper pruning results in a robust and productive orchard. Consider introducing pigs to maintain orchard health. They'll eat fallen apples, preventing pest infestations and diseases. Their rooting aerates the soil, and their manure enriches it with organic nutrients. A well-managed pig system can significantly enhance sustainability. Harvesting and sorting apples takes careful planning. Pick apples at peak ripeness. Sort them into market-ready cider quality and compost categories. Store them in cool, humid conditions to maximize shelf life. Use imperfect apples for cider, vinegar, or animal feed. This approach minimizes waste and maximizes profitability. Finally, evaluate your yearly progress and plan ahead. Review your journal entries, test the soil, adjust pest control and planting strategies, and set goals for next year. Continuous assessment and strategic adjustments ensure long-term success. By following this guide, you'll transform your apple orchard into a thriving, organic ecosystem. Here's to healthy, sustainable apple growing. Thanks for watching, and happy farming.